Okay, I'm going to attempt to show you guys how to repair a garage door because everybody don't have money to replace the whole door. And I've been having this problem for a while, but now it's getting real bad. So I had to go ahead and replace my door. But before it takes a while for them to order the parts. So in the meantime, it's still falling apart. So I've decided to try to put a fix it until I can get it replaced. But everybody can't afford to replace it. So everybody know that on your garage door, these screws fall out all the time. You see right now, I got a different kind of screw than came. I got a flat head, then I have a Phillip. But these are the screws that came with it. The metal get worn. And as you can see, I have tried my best to save it much as I can until I'm able to replace it. Now I'm going to replace it, so I'm going to try to show you how to fix it until you can replace it. I know everybody can't afford to. All I have here is a piece of wood, screws, any kind of screws I guess that can fit through the hole. And I had some washer on these screws, they're small. But I chose long screws so you can go through this wood much better. And that's all you're gonna need. You're gonna put the piece of wood behind here. Put the piece of wood behind here, right behind the holes. I'm trying to do this on my own, so bear with me. And I'm going to secure the wood so it can stay in place. Secure the wood down, as you can see. No matter which way you put the wood, it should stay in there. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to do with no help. So let me see if I can set the phone down for a minute. So I can get it started. Like I say, everybody don't have the money to replace a garage door, so this is what you can do. So as you can see, I'm putting the 2 screws with the washers behind it. Make sure you put washers on there so it won't go through. See, I've done one. I know it's kind of dark in here. And here I'm doing the second one. I'll go get a flashlight so you guys can see what I actually did. Okay. Get a flashlight so you can see what I actually did. Because everybody don't have the money to replace a whole door. Mine's is on order, but in the meantime, it keeps on, more screws keep falling out. So again, these are the screws that came with it. Those are the screws that came with it. Those are the ones falling out. You see, I replaced it with those 2 screws. They've been holding out so far. But this metal down here is wearing out. So what I did, again, I took a piece of wood, put it behind there, and I screwed 2 screws with some washers on them. That should hold me until my door get ordered. As you can see, I have tried all kind of screws to hold this door together, but it's time to replace it now. I hope this helps someone to save some money, because again, everybody can't afford to replace a whole door. All right.